Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a testimonial slider in Kajabi. This is a fantastic way to showcase social proof on your landing pages, helping potential customers see real feedback from people who've used your products or services. Let's jump right in. First, head over to kajabi.com and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard where all your site management tools are located. From here, look to the left sidebar and click on Website. This will expand a menu with several options. Go ahead and select Landing Pages from that expanded menu. You'll now see a list of all the landing pages you've created in your Kajabi account. Browse through these and click on the specific landing page where you want to add your testimonial slider. This could be a sales page, a home page, or any page where displaying customer reviews would strengthen your message. Once you've clicked on your chosen landing page, you'll be taken directly into the landing page editor. Now focus your attention on the left side of your screen. You'll notice the Objects and Elements menu, which is your control center for adding and customizing everything on your page. Look for the option labeled Add Section and click it. This takes you to the Add Section Customization menu. At the top of this menu, you'll see a search bar. Type in Custom Widget and hit Enter. A widget menu will appear, and within that menu, you'll find another search bar labeled Search Widget. Type Testimonial Slider into the search bar. This will direct you to your Testimonial Slider menu where the real customization begins. Here, you can add as many testimonials as you need by clicking the plus Add Testimonial button. Click the drop-down arrow next to each testimonial to customize the individual details like names, quotes, and photos. Next, navigate to the Look and Feel menu on the left side. This is where you can adjust the layout, design, and color schemes of your testimonial slider to match your brand's aesthetic. Take your time here to make sure everything looks cohesive with the rest of your page. After that, click on Settings. Here, you'll want to check and toggle all the visibility settings to control how and when your testimonials display. Then move over to Integration, where you can choose from available apps to integrate your testimonials with other tools you might be using. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Save Changes within the menu. This will add the testimonial slider directly to your page. Finally, hit the Save button at the top right of your screen to lock in all your edits. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.